Hello, this is Aaron from Lo-Fi and D.I.Y, and I'm here in my farm, in my grit farm, and you can kind of see a lot of stuff behind me, 3D printers. I've got my workshop right here, and over here I've got a bit of a metals grinding station. Back in the distance here, you see all my resin printers back here. Um, Bags with products, that's up there. Um, Testing equipment, other cameras, other things all along here. Okay. Um, and I run a pretty specialized operation where there's lots of little moving parts, since mostly what I do here is some form of instant back or adapter for these analog cameras of our past. And I just wanted to point out here that if you are interested in what I do, you could buy me a coffee below, or you could even look down there and see I have other websites that you could explore. Um, and as well, I have now a P.O. box, and if you would like, you could actually ship things like instant cartridges that are emptied out. You could ship the dark slide papers that are from instant cartridges, things that you'd normally throw away. You could even ship expired film. Any film would be welcome. Broken cameras, if they're instant cameras, so that I can use them to keep my costs a little bit lower. One of my biggest expenses actually is the reusing of the instant cameras. That's one of my biggest costs. To give you an idea, I'll show you right here. If you look here, I have bins of film right here. And these are all for testing. And that's just empty packages. Lots and lots of motors and parts from various cameras. This is just one of many drawers full of that kind of stuff. See, different drawers have different things in them like that. All on the way up. And let's see, just all kinds of good stuff. And then other test films, and I even have an entire refrigerator full of test films. Here's some instant, you see all the nylon gears of various parts, all the specialty screws, all the things I use. This level here has some resin prints I use for the transmissions that haven't even been taken off of their support structure yet, because that's how I keep them nice and flat. So, and then some transmissions that I've built here. So, as you can see, there's a great deal that goes into building these instant camera backs. And if you feel like you have some extra stuff laying around like that, or if you want to donate coffee or anything like that, that would really help me with my shop, as I like to keep the costs as low as I can. I have not raised my prices since about 2018. I've been in this particular business, the 3D printing and building side of my art business. I've been an artist all my life, but I've been in this particular business for about 10 years now, so it's been a nice long stretch. And I really enjoy doing this, but I like to be able to take these old analog cameras and keep them alive. I've got all kinds of projects in the future that I'd like to do. So if you do have anything like that laying around, I do know that Instax Square and Instax Wide empty packs are always really helpful. I've got plenty of the I-type, but you know, no problem having more of them. They're very helpful as well. But I appreciate everything you can do. Thank you very much. Bye.